Hi, I'm Jill Coach, and I'd like to share a little bit about myself with you. I am married and have two adult children, each member of our family represented by a running shoe here. We're a very health and fitness passionate family. We do a lot of traveling, going around to Ironman triathlons and marathons, and I really enjoy them. They are more competitive than I am. I like to do it more for fun and to stay fit. To relax, my husband and I like to canoe down the Cedar River and camp on sandbars. And these are the other two members of our family. This one is a 9-month-old teenager. We're waiting for him to grow out of that stage, but still a lot of fun to have around. I love to be around plants and grow plants and spend time with them. It helps me relax. We are organic gardeners, and we have a little small apple orchard. And I also like to grow vegetables in our raised beds. And I also like to cook and experiment with whole food plant-based recipes for nutrition for our family. My husband and I live in the woods over the last 30 years. We have built, remodeled, and flipped houses just on the side for fun. Love to learn. All of us have advanced degrees and enjoy just learning and being in school, I guess. Kids live far away, so every time we have to travel to go see them. My daughter lives in Texas and the son is up in Minnesota. My parents are also aging, so we have to travel quite often to visit and help them out. And that's just a little bit about me. I'm looking forward to getting to know all of you better.